Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product's worth it or not, in my opinion. And today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different review where I'm going to be sharing my experience and giving a review of the t-shirt printing website, Teespring. If you enjoy the content of this channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. But for now, let's get on to the review. Now, if you're not familiar with Teespring.com, it is a print-on-demand website where you can very easily create your own t-shirt. You can either upload your own images or fonts to the website, or you can use their font and image generator and create your own t-shirt right on their website and begin selling them. So if you stick around in this video, I'm going to let you know the pros and cons of using Teespring.com based on my experience. Now, it's great that Teespring hosts a website for you completely free, and all you have to do is direct traffic to your storefront. And you get to choose from a variety of products, whether it's from shirts, mugs, towels, phone cases. It's just endless what you can actually sell on their website. Now, the base cost for a shirt is $10.32, and that's how much Teespring charges you for them to print a shirt. And when I mean charge, I mean you can't sell a shirt for any lower than $10.32 because that's how they make a profit. So you then set your price, and once you set the price, Teespring will show you the profit that you'll make off of that price, and you don't have to worry about shipping, customer service, returns. They take care of all of that. You can also set up your payouts through the revenue you receive from the t-shirts by using your PayPal. Now, another good thing is that they integrate with YouTube. So if you're a YouTuber that has over 10,000 subscribers, you're then able to have a bar right under your video, which is a merchandise bar, and people will see your merchandise right from your video. So now that I addressed all the pros, we're gonna go on to the cons. And before I continue, just letting you know, I am actually wearing a shirt that I had designed from Teespring. Now, my suggestion is if you have a shirt idea that is just basic and it just has words and, you know, a logo that basically doesn't have any color, then Teespring is perfect for that. But if you have something where a graphic is very colorful and it's a little bit more intricate, I don't think Teespring is the best option there, because I had my logo created there. As you can see, it uses a variety of colors. And once I zoom into this, you will see that the quality of this is not great at all. Now, the good thing about it is they will allow you to purchase a sample at a discounted rate once you set up your storefront, so that you can evaluate the material and see whether you like it or not. And if you don't, you can very easily return it. As I mentioned, I created this tank top and this sweatshirt. Just to show you the design on the sweatshirt to get a little bit closer. Now, I had my logo professionally created by a local designer here, the design shop in New Britain, Connecticut. And as you can see, it's just really grainy and it just doesn't do the logo justice at all. You can't really tell because the light is on it, but the yellow and the green is also very washed out, and it's just not a good display. Now, the one thing I will say is the quality of the shirts are just amazing. I mean, this tank top is just so comfortable. It's very lightweight. The material is great. The sweatshirt is just so soft. The only thing about it, though, is it's a lightweight sweatshirt. But, I mean, it's very soft. The quality is great. I'm not a big fan of lightweight sweatshirts. I like mine a little bit heavier, but some of you might like it. And again, the only reason why I'm not returning this is because it's just so comfortable and I really love that. So overall, I was not a fan of Teespring for what I wanted it to do for me. I mean, that's not to say that's a bad website, because clearly tons of people use it. Tons of people sell products on Teespring, whether it's t-shirts. Again, there's a whole slew of products that you can sell on that website. If you want to give it a try, I will leave that link below. I mean, if you're interested in selling them or even just interested in making a t-shirt for yourself, you might as well check it out. All right, so that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And also, please leave a comment below if you guys happen to use Teespring and you love it, or if you hate it, or if there's some other print-on-demand website that you use. I would love to find out more about it. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. If this information was helpful to you, I would definitely appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to subscribe. But until then, I'll see you next time.